Hi, honeys. Good morning. We're up bright and early. We're on our way to Cozumel, so we're at the place where we take the ferry. So we're right on the water. So I'm going to turn this camera around so you can see. There's my kinfolk back there. Okay, let me turn it around. Okay. Look at the beautiful view of the beach. Look at that. I don't see none of that seaweed on the beach. Oh, they're cleaning the sand now. But it's already clean. Well, I guess that's why. Oh, that's beautiful. Listen to the waves. It's peaceful. Okay. The rocks down here. So I guess that's the dock over there. Everybody filming. There's some kind of boat coming from that way, but our boat is supposed to be yellow and blue. Okay? And we're in the first class section. We started to cancel this trip because it was storming last night. And it's really, really cloudy and balmy looking today. But I'm glad we came. I can't get my light right. There it is. So we just came from this bakery. So I had a croissant and some water. They had some frappuccinos and croissants. I couldn't get the money right, y'all. Croissant was 45 pesos. I think the water was 70. And I'm thinking a $20 bill, peso, would cover it. And she kept holding her hand out. So Krisha came and counted out some more money. I think she put a 50 up there, and I'm trying to get the money straight. So when they say like 165 pesos, they don't care what denominations it's in. Like it ain't no dollars and cents here. Pesos is pesos. Even though you may have coins, peso is a peso. So I'm learning that. Okay, I'll talk to y'all later. Here comes our boat, y'all. I told you it was yellow and blue. So we have lined up. We're so ready. Look at that little boat out there, y'all. No way would I be on that thing in all that water. Look at that. Like a toy. So the people have gotten off of our boat that we're going to get on. And I saw the men in orange vests going toward that boat. Guess they're going to clean it before we get on it. Look at the people. What is that, a dock or a wharf? What is that?
Pier.
A pier. Okay. We're on the pier.
Go walk the plank.
I thought it was a dock. Sitting on the dock of the bay.
Hey.
Lucretia.
Hey, y'all.
Okay, y'all, we're headed to our ferry boat. We're walking down this walkway, and it's very sloped. Try not to slide. There's water over there and over there. This is so exciting. I've been on the ferry one other time. That was when I was in New York going to Staten Island. Look at that big old hotel over there.
Well, actually.
Well, I better watch where I'm going. That's how the boat looks. It got seats up on the front. There's the other boat.
I gotta buy it.
Ultramari.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we gotta go over here. Look at that glass mural. Okay, we're sitting in a booth in first class. Big old booth.
Cause we fancy like that.
Oh, they got another mural. That's pretty. At the table. Got a TV right there. This is nice. People are leaving, so I don't know if it's outlets over there or not.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, we're moving, y'all. Okay. Okay, y'all. We're in. Where are we? Chankanaab Adventure Beach Park. So we bought a ticket, an all-inclusive ticket, so we can eat, drink, see the shows, all for one price, so $66 per person. So I think that's a good deal. We just have to show our tickets. Little Nikki being fast again. All right, get it, girl. Get it. Oh, there's Lucretia. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Woo!
Okay, your turn. Hold on. Hey, get it. Work. Woo! Get it, mama. Get it. Hey. Oh, thank you. Okay,
Reptiles. You're not gonna mess with them. I'm just gonna film.
Look at that lizard. That's a Gila monster.
That's oh man.
Let me get a little closer.
He's looking at you. He's juking at you.
As long as he don't run this way. Up,
But he's looking at you.
up, the bees.
Come out. I think you are.
Nice waterfall. We're trying to find something to eat right now. Look, I hadn't bought up my ticket, yeah. I don't see no food. Food. Dolphin Discovery. I don't want to eat no dolphin.
Oh, definitely not.
Oh, there's a restaurant here and there. 9:50, 12:30, and 2:30. It's 11:44.
Okay. Well, they just got through playing. Mariachi band. I'm here for the dolphin show. Oh, y'all going back in there? They're playing music throughout the sea lion show. I didn't see any dolphins, but the sea lions were great. And I have to speak over this music that was playing. I filmed this video once before and it was copyrighted, so I had to do it again. But this show was great. But I had to leave a little earlier than I expected because it was about 2,000 degrees sitting there on the bleachers. And the bees had started to come in big forces. So I ain't about that life. Fanning bees and scared I'm going to hit one and make it mad. But what I saw of those sea lions, found out there's a difference between sea lions and seals. I thought they were all the same thing. And I can't remember what the difference is. But they were great, doing their little tricks and then clapping their little, what is that, a fin, their arm, whatever that thing is. Waving their tails. I enjoyed watching them. They put on a great show, and the music was good too. But y'all can't hear it. But it was good. And then this animal, he clapping his hand. He went back, and then they brought another one out, and it was good too. I think one was a seal and one was a sea lion. Okay. It was really interesting until the bees came out in full force. And Lucretia and Nikki, they didn't even want to sit on the bleachers, but I sat in the front row where nobody had walked. Okay, another seal or sea lion is coming out. Her name is Luna, and she did different tricks. I think this is the sea lion. It's bigger than the other thing. Well, I'm not sure which is which. They look alike to me. So it did its tricks. And very interesting, entertaining. I enjoyed it. But I had to get up out of there. It was super, super hot, about 2,000 degrees. And seemed like the hotter it got, the more bees came out. And I was scared to fan them too much because I might hit one and then it get mad and it bring its friends and sting me. So, time to go. And by that time, Nikki had already left. She was somewhere. And Creature was still over to the side standing up. Okay, that's enough of that. I'm about to get out of here. Look at this statue, y'all. I thought it was interesting.
Where are you being, sweetie?
Huh?
Where are you being? That was
It is nice.
Okay, we're looking at all these little shops all around. At this point, we were starting to get drizzled on. We didn't even care because it was so hot outside, y'all. Oh my goodness.
This water feels good.
Look at dude sweeping.
Home front. A home Sunday breeze.
Oh, we just passed her, didn't we?
Yes.
This is how it looks now. It's pouring down rain, y'all. So we're headed back to the ferry.
Just thinking you all been in that greenery area when the torrential downpour happened.
Oh my goodness, y'all hear the rain? Wow.
We got caught in that torrential downpour.
Sure did.
For real. Chacana.
Okay, y'all, we're back on the ferry ship. And we're sitting in different seats this time. First we had a booth, now we're sitting like 4 seats together, 2 on each side. So of course I got my bags in one of the seats.
Hola.
Hola. So,
Hola,
hi.
How are you?
Hi. So it started pouring down rain, so we decided to come back early. So glad we did. I'm tired. And being rained on, it felt so good because it was hot. Okay, I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up.